Hello all, we are coming up with comprehensive essay. For essay practice, most of the students will be going for Delhi, but we are providing it Hyderabad, online and offline. Comprehensive course with a course span of 15 sessions. Comprehensive discussion, what are different varieties of essays and relevant topics. Not only that, strategy, how to write the best answers for every essay. 30 essay discussions will be happening in the classroom and 30 essays will be provided to you to practice. Not only that, overall by the end of the session, 60 essays you will be doing the practice. The duration will be for 15 sessions. Not only that, tests are the backbone for any exam. We are going to conduct in this particular program 3 essay tests. And not only that, as I told you earlier, 30 essay practice will be happening and 30 essay model answers will be provided to you. Perfect model answers for the 30 essays. Previous year's questions also will be covered in that 30 essays. This is the 30 essays which I will be discussing in the classroom. Another 30 essays will be provided to you for practice. Overall 60 essay topics will be provided to you. Again I am repeating, 30 essays I will be doing in the classroom, 30 essays I will be evaluating it, and 3 tests we will be conducting and 30 essays will be provided for your practice. So overall 60 essays. Remember, 10 essays are enough to write a very good essay in the final examination hall. But believe 30 essays we are doing in the classroom and 30 essays you are doing for practice. If you really are going to do 60 essays, means 100% you will score 150 out of 250 marks. You can bring your every essay near me. One-to-one discussion we will be having with respect to your essay. Not only that, in classroom we will be having the discussion. I will be taking the inputs from you. So essay will not be like a monologue where I am teaching and you are listening. It will be like a dialogue where we will be having a proper discussion to write a very good essay. So this essay program is going to start from December 13, 2021, next Monday. So everyone, enroll as soon as possible and join the essay program. And price is also very affordable. The same quality of the content you will be getting at Delhi, double the amount, but here very affordable price. Thank you. All the best. Jai Hind.